This Ganiza Smoothie Blender is an exceptional addition to any kitchen, combining power, versatility, and convenience in a sleek package. This 15-piece personal blender and grinder combo is designed to cater to all your blending needs, whether you're making a quick morning smoothie, grinding coffee beans, or preparing baby food. Here's a detailed review that covers everything you need to know about this impressive appliance. The Ganiza Smoothie Blender is equipped with a peak power of 900 W, making it one of the most powerful blenders in its category. The upgraded full copper turbocharged motor utilizes pulse technology to achieve high speeds of up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. This impressive power enables the blender to handle dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, and hard fruits effortlessly. The result is a smoother, creamier blend that helps you maintain a healthier lifestyle with ease. Just load your ingredients, push, twist, and blend your way to nutritious beverages. Versatility is a standout feature of the Ganiza Smoothie Blender. It comes with stainless steel 6 blades that can blend ingredients of varying hardness, including ice. Whether you're making smoothies, juices, milkshakes, sauces, jams, or baby food, this blender handles it all. Additionally, the powerful flat blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients, making them great for grinding coffee beans and spices. This multifunction capability makes the Ganiza blender an all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. Safety is a top priority for Ganiza. The blender only operates when the blender cup is properly locked into the base, preventing accidental spills and ensuring user safety. A cooling fan at the bottom of the blender aids in quick heat dissipation, protecting the motor from overheating. Moreover, the blender is equipped with 4 non-slip silicone pads that keep it stable and balanced during operation. These features ensure that you can blend with confidence and peace of mind. This extensive array of accessories makes the blender incredibly versatile, allowing you to tackle a wide range of kitchen tasks with a single appliance. The different cup sizes and lids make it easy to blend, store, and carry your creations wherever you go. Cleaning the Ganiza Smoothie Blender is a breeze, thanks to its self-cleaning feature. Simply add soap and warm water, lock the blender cup into the base, and let the blender do the rest. This feature saves you time and effort, making it perfect for those with a busy lifestyle. Additionally, the blender is dishwasher safe except for the motor base, further simplifying the cleaning process. The performance of the Ganiza Smoothie Blender is nothing short of impressive. The powerful 900 W motor, combined with the 6-blade cross and 2-blade flat attachments, ensures that you get consistent and efficient results every time. The high-speed blending capability allows you to prepare smoothies and shakes quickly, making it ideal for busy mornings. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, ice, or even tough nuts and seeds, the Ganiza blender handles it all with ease. The design of the Ganiza Smoothie Blender is user-friendly and intuitive. The push, twist, and blend mechanism is simple to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The included recipe book provides inspiration and guidance, helping you make the most of your blender. The various cups and lids are designed for convenience, allowing you to blend and go without the need for additional containers. The Ganiza Smoothie Blender is built to last, with high-quality materials and sturdy construction. The BPA-free cups are durable and resistant to impact, ensuring they can withstand daily use. The full copper motor is designed for longevity, providing reliable performance over time. The overall build quality of the blender is impressive, giving you confidence that it will serve you well for years to come. The included recipe book is a valuable addition, offering a variety of nutritious and delicious recipes to try. From classic fruit smoothies to creative sauces and dips, the recipe book provides plenty of ideas to get you started. This inspiration helps you explore the full potential of your blender, making it a versatile tool for your kitchen. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Ganiza Smoothie Blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly appliance that excels in both performance and convenience. Its 900 W motor and high-speed blending capabilities make it perfect for a wide range of tasks, from making smoothies and shakes to grinding coffee beans and spices. The comprehensive 15-piece set and included recipe book add to its value, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen with a reliable and efficient blender. With its focus on safety, ease of use, and durability, the Ganiza Smoothie Blender is a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys healthy, homemade beverages and meals. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or a parent looking to prepare nutritious food for your family, this blender has the features and performance to meet your needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on your favorite kitchen gadgets.